Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So right now we are in Goa. We finally checked in to our hotel room and it is quite sunny here. So we thought why not come swimming because we do have a huge swimming pool here. I seriously don't know what I'm talking because it's my first vlog. I'm just starting it from Goa, so I hope it goes well. So let's see now. We have not planned anything yet where we will go or what. As of now, we'll swim for some time and then we will go freshen up, get ready, and maybe go to have something because we didn't have anything since we've reached Goa. So let's see how our day goes. Like I said, we did check into the hotel, but I thought I will give you a quick view of our hotel. It's right next to Arambol Beach. Okay, so this is the entrance of the hotel, and if at all you come out, right there is the beach, and yeah, this is the pool. My best friend is swimming here, and this is how our hotel looks like. It's pretty chill here because it's just next to the beach, and in case if at all you want to come here, this hotel name is Mirati. Even I did not know because we booked from Airbnb, so it was pretty chill. Say hi.
What's up, people?
Okay guys, I'll give you all a quick room tour. Day 2 in Goa, and right now I think it's around 2 p.m. We got up late today because last night we slept late. We were just chilling at the pool side. Right now we did not have anything, like हमने lunch का कुछ किया नहीं अभी तक. So we are going to Eva Cafe. Let's see how it goes. Guys, so this is day 3 in Goa, and right now I am at Arambol Beach. Yesterday we went to Baga Beach. Early morning, around 6:30 a.m. right now. I just wanted to see the sunrise, but I was not able to make it because I got up pretty late. But I thought, why not just take a walk in the beach? And I think it was worth coming because the view is amazing. And one thing about Arambol Beach, I just loved it. It is just right next to my hotel, which means I just come out of my hotel and I am in the beach. Okay guys, I don't know if at all you can see, this is our hotel, and if at all you come Aage, and yeah, this is the beach. So it is pretty near. Just come out of the hotel and ta-da, you're on the beach. The second thing is, it's not very crowded like Baga Beach. Yesterday we went to Baga Beach and guys, trust me, it was very crowded. But I think Arambol is very peace. You can find very less people here. Just a moment. Yeah, you can find very less people here. I can hardly see anybody right now. They're just going around for walk, and they're just jogging. Some are just sitting and just enjoying the waves. I think that's the very best part about this beach. It's not crowded, and also it's very clean, you guys. It's very clean as compared to Baga Beach. Also, if at all you come to Arambol Beach, you can find a lot of cafes. So guys, this is my hotel room. Go out from there, just a 2 minutes walk and you're at the beach. Okay, so this is the back view of our hotel. Just look at this, guys. It's so pretty. Yo, what's up you guys? So right now I'm going to a restaurant called Kinara. Basically the whole plan for today is we will be going and having our lunch. You can just say brunch at Kinara, and then from there we will be going to Baga Beach for kayaking. But that we are planning to go to Burger Factory. Not really sure. Also we'll try and explore some markets nearby and show you all how our day goes. So right now we just reached Kinara and we just sat here. It's a really very pretty place, and here we just placed an order for our food and we're just waiting for food right now. So in the meanwhile, I will just give you all the view of how Kinara restaurant looks. I hope the food is good because I'm really very hungry. So we just got done with Kinara and the food was okay, right? It was okay. I took fish. It was a tawa fry, the slice, kingfish ka slice they gave with masala. That was good, but I didn't like the thali that much. Also the momos, we took spinach momos. That was not that really good. We didn't have at all. We are heading towards Baga Beach because we want to go for kayaking. So let's go. all the hard work because I don't know how to do this. Came for kayaking. So it's right next to Baga and it's 100 rupees per person for 15 minutes, right?
Yep.
Okay. It's really very tiring. I never did this and I seriously don't know how to do this. In 15 minutes I can never learn. But here's the champ, the pro. It's so tiring, and since I never did this, oh my god, my back is already paining. Doesn't look as fun as how it shows from outside. But the view is good. Okay, so we just got done with our kayaking and right now we are heading towards Para Road because it is very famous because there was a scene from Dear Zindagi that was shot there.
अच्छा, Rumi, over, खत्म, broke it off.
अरे why?
No यार, नहीं कर सकती.
So yeah, I am really excited to go there. Let's see how it is. Because I've seen so many influencers going there and clicking pictures and it seemed really very dreamy. So let's see how it goes. A lot of people there, so we didn't feel like clicking pictures because it was pretty crowded. So right now we are heading back to Baga Beach because we just want to sit there and chill for some time. And after that, I think we will, if we have time, we will go to Burger Factory. If not, we will go back to our hotel. Right now because we had to take some liquor from here for our friends and family since we are in Goa. सबकी list आ गया हमारे पास. Plan for today is nothing actually, to be honest. Today is the last day in Goa, so we thought now we will be here for some times and then we will go ahead and we will pack our bags because we need to log out, sorry not log out, check out by 10 o'clock. The plan is we'll just keep the luggage here and we will go to Olala. We'll have our lunch, we'll come back and then we will go to our bus station. Yeah. So let's see how our day goes. So we are sitting near Anjuna Beach because Burger Factory people did not allow us inside because we were too early. Now it is a very pretty beach. Oh my god, it's so nice. We just came down the beach because it was looking really very pretty, guys. This view is amazing. It's worth watching. In case if you're coming to Burger Factory, do come here. It's just 7 minutes away from Burger Factory. I'll just show you all the view. Look at this. Guys, so I have reached Bangalore successfully. The reason being why I'm saying successfully is because it was a hassle, you guys. We had to board our bus around 6 p.m. and we were late. The bus almost left us and we had to walk almost 30 minutes to go ahead and catch our bus because the bus already left the bus station. Upar se we got a back seat, like we while booking all those seats were full and we had to reach Bangalore because of our office. We couldn't stay there for another day. And you guys know back seat is a punishment. And also I reached Bangalore around 7:30 a.m. and I was really very tired. I couldn't vlog anything. Also I couldn't end the vlog in Goa because the last day was really tiring. I wanted to go to Olala, but we went to their old location and we got to know that they have relocated to a new location and we really did not have time to go and visit. So yeah, it's a sad thing, but no problem. Next time I would definitely want to go to Olala because that looks very very dreamy, you guys. Even you should try in case you're going to Goa. Now I'm going to office. I'm just waiting for my cab, so I thought I did not end the video, so why not just shoot a short video. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlog. I definitely understand that it's not as perfect as how it should be because I'm trying. It's my first vlog, you guys. All I need is your support, and in case if you feel that I can improve in any of the ways in the vlog, please do leave your feedback in the comment section. I would definitely love to read that and would definitely implement that on my next vlogs. It's my first vlog for my channel. Kindly please do support me, you guys. Please, if in case if at all you like the video, please do go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel. Also share the video as much as you can because that would definitely help me grow. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I will see you all in the next vlog. Till then, take care and stay safe. I love you all. Bye.